Welcome to the lesson on if statements in JavaScript. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the if statement to control the flow of a program based on conditions. This is an essential concept in programming because it allows you to make decisions and run specific code only when certain conditions are met. Understanding the if statement. An if statement checks if a condition is true, and if so, runs the corresponding block of code. Here's an example of using an if statement to check if the user is eligible to vote based on their age. Explanation. We are checking if the age is greater than or equal to 18. If true, it prints, "You are eligible to vote." This will output, "You are eligible to vote," granting access with if statements. We can also use if statements for security, such as checking if a user has entered the correct password. Here's an example, where access is granted only when the password is 1234. Explanation. The if statement checks if the password is equal to 1234. If true, access is granted. This will output, "Access granted." Checking conditions with if for temperatures. Let's use an if statement to check if the temperature is above 30. And display a message if it is hot outside. Explanation. The condition checks if temperature is greater than 30, and if true, the message "It's hot outside" is printed. This will output "It's hot outside." Using if statements for alerts. An if statement can also be used to check for warnings. For instance, checking if the battery level is below 20%. Explanation. The if statement checks if the battery is less than 20%. If true, the warning is displayed. This will output, "Warning, low battery." In this lesson, we've learned how to use if statements to check conditions and control the flow of the program. Grant access based on conditions, such as password checking. Display messages based on conditions, like temperature and battery level. The if statement is a powerful tool for decision-making in programming. Great job! You're ready to move on to the next lesson.